Hey guys, welcome back to 41 NBC News at 6. For our It's the Law segment today, we are talking about the Justin Harris case with James W. Davis here from James W. Davis & Associates. And Jay, thank you so much for being here today.
It's great to be here, Sean.
Awesome. So this particular case has been going on for a while now, and it has really dominated the headlines, that's for sure. We have had a ton of talk about it, and I think the most interesting part about it is part of the prosecution's case, I believe, and you can speak more to this, is about Google searches and how he actually searched how to die in a hot car right before all this went down.
Yeah, this is just a sad case any way you look at it. A 22-year-old dying in a car just left out there. I don't know how long he was left out there alone, but long enough to die.
Yeah.
But a lot of people wonder how, now they're looking, that's upping the charges, making them believe it's not an accident, is this information they found off the computer, and whether or not that's admissible in court and how you get that admissible. But generally there's you have search and seizure laws where you're protected from things that you do in private, but that can all be overcome by a court order. So if somebody believes that something on your phone or something on your computer at home, if a prosecution believes that there's information there that may be something that would be evidentiary in the case, then they normally would request that from a court, from a judge, to be able to sign for that warrant for them to go out and search that area. They're normally, they have to show probable cause.
I was going to say there's a little bit they have to go through first, right?
Well, yes. Now, if they do it without having a court order, if they can show the court that what they had when they did it was probable cause, then the court may overlook the fact that they didn't get the court order prior. So that sometimes can do a little bit of protection on them if they do that. If a police officer believes something was going on, you had a phone in your hand, and then he starts looking in the phone, he doesn't automatically have that right to look in the phone. He's going to have to show what gave him that right to believe there was going to be something in your phone to find. So it can't be like the stop and frisk where you just suddenly get somebody and then you say, oh, I got a phone, let me just see if I can find something in your phone that may make you, may look guilty for you.
Gotcha. So yeah, in this case, that was the biggest question for me was, can just anybody use any old Google search you've ever done? In this case, such a sad case for Justin Harris. Probably the biggest question there for sure is just being able to admit evidence in and out. So
Right.
Jay, thank you so much for being here today. Talking a little bit about this case. I know it is definitely a big one, so we'll continue to watch it. Thanks so much for being here.
Sure thing.
Awesome. And if you need, or actually, we're looking for your legal questions. If you really want to know about something in the law, Jay can answer it. You can email us at itsthelaw@41nbc.com. We'll have your questions during our segment every Wednesday night.